While shopping at SNS, if you need to review or make any changes to your account, most of them can be done by navigating to the My Account page under the user icon. On this page, you'll find everything needed for setting up your shopping experience at ssactivewear.com. Before we get started though, just a quick note that some settings require you to be the admin of your company account to make adjustments to them, so we'll take note of these along the way. First, you'll see a column labeled Company Information. Here you'll find your SNS account number, company name, billing address, and your assigned credit rep listed along with their contact email address. If you ever have any questions about your account, orders, or products, the General Inquiries link is one way to get a hold of us. Here you can fill out a quick form to let us know what your question is related to. Depending on what you choose from the drop-down menu here, you'll be prompted with additional questions to help us get the necessary info needed to handle your inquiry. Once you're done completing the form, press the Submit button to send it to us, and a representative will reach out to you as soon as possible. If you happen to need a question answered immediately during business hours though, you can use our live chat feature. Begin by navigating through our website, and you'll see it appear near the bottom of the screen. Click on it and fill out all the required fields to begin a conversation with a live representative. Be aware that after business hours, this live chat feature will disappear from our website and will resume operation the following business day. For additional ways to reach us, you can also visit our Contact Us page. Here you'll find links to specific locations around our website, a list of frequently asked questions, and our company information, along with our toll-free phone number and emails to specific departments within SNS. Below General Inquiries will be your API key. This will only be seen by the admin of the account and is used alongside your shopping integrations. Clicking here reveals your key, and also where you can generate a new one if you ever feel your key has been compromised. For admins of your account, you'll also see the Manage Web Users button. Here, you can add, manage, and delete users from your account. When managing a web user or adding a new one, these are the fields you'll need to fill out: their first and last name, along with their email address, the user's role within your company, the user's status on your account. This will indicate whether the account is active, needs to be approved, needs their email validated, or where you can set the account to inactive. When adding a new user, an email needs to be assigned and validated, and a password needs to be created to grant them access to their profile. Once the email has been validated, a timestamp will appear, indicating exactly when it happened. Finally, each web user can be granted specific preferences and permissions. This ranges from paperless invoices to admin privileges and the ability to place orders. Always make sure to click Save after making any changes to a user's profile. When a user has been added, you'll see their profile appear next to the others on your account. You'll also receive an email whenever a new user has been added. The next button allows you to view your account statement. This will open a page with a live version of your current SNS statement, which includes any open invoices, non-applied credits, and completed orders. As these orders have their payments applied, the list on your statement will be adjusted to only show invoices that are still outstanding. As an admin, you can pay those invoices right here. Any invoice with an outstanding balance can be found and paid through this page. Here you can filter through your invoices to find the specific one you're looking for, or you can select them in one of 4 ways: by all past due amounts, all outstanding balances, selecting all invoices, or individually select them. Whichever way you choose, you'll want to click Pay Selected Rows to move on to selecting which payment method you'd like to use. You can choose to pay with either a credit card or with a bank account, but before making your payment, you can choose to send your payment confirmation to anyone who may need a copy by entering their email in this text box above your payment method. The second column here is for your company settings. Here you can set up the email address your invoices will be sent to, see additional information about your company, and manage your resale certificates. Here you'll want to begin by selecting the state associated with your certificate, then browse your computer for the certificate file and upload it. You can repeat this process for each one that you have. Once uploaded, clicking Submit will send it through the verification process, which takes up to 15 minutes to complete. When it's been verified and approved, the status here will change from pending to valid. If you're in need of a blank resale certificate, under the Resources tab, you'll find a link to our business forums. Scroll down just a bit and you'll find our blank resale certificate alongside our certificate for Illinois customers. Download whichever form you need, fill it out, and repeat the previous steps for uploading them to your account. Next, in the user information column, you're given the ability to check and edit some of your web users' information, like your name, phone number, password, and your default shipping address to receive marketing promotions. If you'd like to change out your email address, this can be done by going back to the Manage Web User section as an admin and editing the user's information. In this column, you'll also be able to manage your payment methods. On this page, you can add two types of payment options to your account: bank accounts and credit cards. Here, you can delete a payment method that you've added or set one as your default payment option. Credit cards you add can also be used as a payment option towards your Shopify or Promo Standards integration. While you're checking out, you're also given similar options to manage your payment methods. Finally, the user settings section gives you additional options to customize your shopping experience. Here, you can change your default shipping method, pickup warehouse, and billing method. Order grid colors allows you to manage how a style's color and inventory information is displayed on our product pages. Selecting one gives you the available inventory for the current selected colorway. However, if you pick all colors, each color and its inventory will be displayed together as one big list. This option can also be temporarily changed on any product page. This notification section allows you to manage your marketing outreach preferences, while below this, you can choose to enable or disable cookies. Here, you can edit your shipping address that's connected to placing orders. This page allows you to add, edit, or delete your shipping addresses. You can also use the search bar to filter through addresses you have saved. When adding or editing an address, fill out all of the required fields and check off any information that's important to make note of. Then click Save to add this address to your account. If there's an address you no longer need, simply remove it by clicking the Delete button. Lastly, in the user settings, you can choose your time zone and if you'd like the current web browser to remember your login info for easy and quick sign-ins to your SNS account.